There is a great deal of excitement surrounding the Google Pixel 9 series since there have been reports of notable design and feature upgrades. As we eagerly anticipate the formal announcement, let's explore the information that is now available about Google's newest flagship phones. In the realm of Google's smartphone offerings from the Pixel 6 to the Pixel 8, each iteration has brought its own set of innovations. However, the Pixel 9 promises to be a standout with potentially 3 models slated for release. Leaked CAD renders courtesy of reliable sources like OnLeaks hint at a dramatic design overhaul reminiscent of Apple's aesthetic. The most striking change in design is the adoption of wider curves akin to recent iPhone models. The camera bar, now detached from the aluminum shell, resembles the Pixel Fold setup, giving it a more traditional camera protrusion look. Despite the resemblance, the design exudes a sharpness that's undeniably Google. The return of the beloved bay blue color from the Pixel 8 Pro adds to the excitement, showcasing Google's commitment to aesthetic excellence. However, perhaps the most significant departure is the reduction in size. Both the regular Pixel 9 and the Pro model are downsizing their displays, a move that might raise eyebrows among fans accustomed to larger screens. The regular Pixel 9 will feature a 6.1-inch display, while the Pro variant will sport a 6.5-inch panel, marking a departure from the 6.7-inch screens seen in previous models. This shift towards smaller form factors could be a strategic response to market trends, particularly in regions like Japan, where compact phones are preferred. Interestingly, leak suggests that Google might be reverting to its original strategy of offering one phone in 2 sizes, reminiscent of the early Pixel days. The camera setups in both models appear identical, hinting at a consolidation of features across the lineup. This move aligns with Google's efforts to cater to diverse consumer preferences while maintaining a cohesive product range. The decision to prioritize smaller phones could be influenced by Google's growing presence in Japan, where compact devices enjoy widespread popularity. Counterpoint research indicates that Google has emerged as the second-largest phone brand in Japan, a testament to the company's adaptability to regional preferences. Looking ahead, leaked roadmaps suggest that Google had initially planned 3 Pixel 9 variants: the standard model, the Pro, and the Pro Max. However, recent leaks indicate that only 2 models code-named Cayman and Komodo might see the light of day. This strategic shift underscores Google's agility in responding to evolving market dynamics and consumer demands. One area of contention has been Google's in-house tensor processors, which have faced criticism for their performance compared to Qualcomm's Snapdragon counterparts, while Google has emphasized a holistic approach to smartphone design. Reports suggest that a fully customized tensor chip developed in collaboration with TSMC might be delayed. In the interim, Google may rely on a chip loosely based on Samsung's Exynos 2400, raising questions about performance and efficiency. However, the potential introduction of a custom Tensor G4 chip holds promise for future Pixel iterations, signaling Google's commitment to enhancing its hardware capabilities. In conclusion, the Pixel 9 lineup represents a bold step forward for Google, with significant changes in design, size, and potentially chipset technology. As anticipation builds for the official launch, consumers can expect a blend of innovation and familiarity that has come to define the Pixel experience.